So in my last video, I gave sort of like a broad overview of how to build a lead gen machine in order to sell affiliate products to, finding a product, putting them on a landing page, running ads to it, and most importantly, identifying a niche that has a passionate audience that you can sell to. I got a comment on that video that says that they would like me to break down the whole process, which was the intention of the video, just to put some feelers out to see if I will get some response on it, so I can make a much longer video, detailed video on how to set all of these things up. This is the first of the series that I will be making. I'll put everything in a playlist so you can always refer back to it. But I want to specifically in this video show you exactly how to build a lead gen landing page that is going to convert at more than 50% at least, so you can start lead machine the proper way. So this video is going to be focused on how to build your landing page with lead pages, how to connect your domain name, and I'll see if I have some time in this video as well to talk about how to connect your email automation software like GetResponse, for example. But if not, it's going to be in the next video. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do, like I said, is to find a passionate audience, find an audience that you can connect to a product that you can sell affiliate products to. And once you've done that, I mean, there's so many audiences and so many niches that you can go into, but for the purpose of this experiment and for the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose an audience in the crocheting niche, but you can choose any audience that you really want. But for this video, that is what we're going to use. So once you decide on that, you want to come to a website like exclusiveniches.com. Now, Exclusive Niches is a PLR website. They sell everything from audiobooks to articles to ebooks to graphics, anything that could help you build an online business, digital products that you can use and integrate into your own business that you can use to build an audience. They sell it. So what you want to do is to come here and just type in any keyword. For example, if you want to find an ebook about affiliate marketing, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing in here. As you can see on the screen, they have a lot of affiliate marketing ebooks and audiobooks and articles and things of that nature. A lot of them. So you just have to grab one. Say for example, I want to grab affiliate marketing A to Z. This is an ebook. It's a PLR ebook, meaning it's a private label right. You can give this away as a free resource. You can sell it. You can do whatever it is you want with it. So right now, as you can see, this ebook has 2 e-covers and 1 squeeze page, meaning you can even look at the squeeze page and build your own squeeze page based on the squeeze page that they provide for you. So what are the license details? It can be sold, you can resell it, you can offer it as a master resale, you can edit it, you can put your name as the author, you can break it down into articles, you can use it as a e-magazine content, and so on and so forth. You can do whatever with it. So all you have to do is to download this ebook. It costs $6.95. So just buy this ebook and you have all of that right to do whatever you want with this ebook. So once you've done that, you've picked out your ebook. For the purpose of this experiment, I said I'm going to be doing something in the crochet niche because I already built out all of these things already. So I'm just going to walk you through exactly how I did it. You want to come to a website like leadpages.com. That is where we want to build our landing page. Landing page on leadpages.com. I've always talked about system.io. You can use system as well, but I just feel like lead pages is more straightforward, if you will. They have more intuitive designs. That is why what gravitates me towards lead pages any day more than system.io. They have much better designs than system. So once you sign up, I'll put a link in the description, by the way. Start your 14-day free trial. What you want to do is to create a new landing page. So for this experiment, what we're going to do is I will quickly just replicate this page right here. This landing page that I have, this landing page is converting at 55%. And what we want to do is we want to duplicate this landing page. We want to replicate the landing page. So if you come here, you go to landing pages and you click on create new landing page. Now, I did not start building anything from scratch. All I did was I picked out a template that's already been built and I edited that template. So I'm just going to find the same template and I'm going to start editing. You can use a different template if you want, but this is the exact method that I use. I think this is it right here. Boom, preview. Yep, this is the same exact page. I'm just going to use this template. So you click on that and you start designing. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. So once it opens up, you can start designing. I'm going to call it test landing page. Let's go. All right, cool. So we want to recreate this landing page. Now, this is not exactly, if I were to build this thing from scratch, I would not be using this this landing page right here. I think there are much simpler designs that we can use. But since this is, I want to show you exactly how I did it. So I'm just going to go this route. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is retain this. First, let's change the logo. I already created my logo with Canva. So it's already uploaded here, and I'm just going to insert that. Boom, we have the logo. I'm going to delete this. We don't want that. I'm going to delete that. You know what? I'm going to delete this entire section. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to delete this section as well. Now, there's another landing page that I built for the ebook itself. Now, that's a different beast. I use this exact one. So I will show you that. Let me show you. In fact, let me show you that. This is the landing page that I built for the ebook. As you can see right here, this is the exact clone of that new landing page that I'm trying to build. But since I'm just trying to recreate this one, we don't need all of that detail. Let's see, what do we have here? All right, so we have one image and that's it. All right, cool. Just gonna delete that. You know what? We don't need any of these things. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to insert a widget, and it's going to be a text widget. Drop that text widget, and what we want to do is this headline right here, I used ChatGPT. So you can tell ChatGPT, for example, let me refresh ChatGPT and show you exactly how I did it, because this is all about step by step here. So this is exactly what I told ChatGPT. I said, I want to create a landing page for a crocheting audience. I am trying to give them a free email course in exchange for their email. Write me a compelling headline. You know what? I'm going to specify for an email course that teaches them how to master crochet in 5 days. In exchange for the email address, write me a compelling headline for this landing page. Now, a lot of people think ChatGPT is a substitution for doing the work. Now, you can see the way I crafted this prompt. Now, let's see what it gives me. Specifically, unleash your inner crocheting pro. Learn to master the art in just 5 days with our free email course. Simple and direct, straight to the point. Now I can say, make it a little longer. It made it a little longer. Now I like this even more. Transform your crochet skill in only 5 days with our free masterclass email course. Sign up now and discover the secrets to unlocking your crochet potential. I love that. Now I'm just going to copy that and bring it into landing page, and I'm going to paste this headline here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to an H3 so it's bigger, or I can even do maybe H2. Boom. And I'm going to do bold, and I'm going to center align the text. That's it. Simple as. You know what? Maybe I can do font 9. All right, that's good. So as you can see, it's coming together. It's a different headline from what I have here, but it's almost the same. We want to find a crochet image, someone doing crocheting. How do I do that? I go to a website like pexels.com. That's where I get all my free images. As you can see, we haven't used any, we've not paid for anything here. So on Pexels, I'm going to put add crochet. Boom, right there. There's tons of crochet images. Crochet. Is it crochet or crochet? I'm not sure. Tons of them. And you can just click on any one. I'm just going to pick this one and I'm going to download. Free download. Boom, easy. All right, so Pexels downloaded. So now I'm going to drop another widget here. It's an image widget. When I had an image, I'm going to drop that here, and we can change. You can click on that, and I'm just going to change the image. Let's use the same image. The image is now there. So what else do we want to do? We want to add a text. What is it about? We're trying to explain to them what they're trying to get. So I'm not going to regenerate that with ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy the ones that I already made. I'm going to drag a text widget here. And I'm going to come here and I will just copy this, and I will come back here and I will just paste that. Simple as 1, 2, 3, guys. That's it. So now we have a landing page coming together, and the next thing you want to do is to add a button. Now the button is what they're going to click to enter the email address and their first name. Now I'm going to add a button here. Boom. And the button says sign up, but I want to change this to something like, Here I said start mastering the art of crochet now. You want your button to have some sort of call to action in it. So I'm going to do start your crocheting journey here. Boom, easy peasy. Now, when they click on that, you want to add a click event. This is going to be what happens after they click on the button. So you want to add a click event. You want to click on open a pop-up. So the pop-up is going to be the form that opens up. Now let me show you here. So when someone click on this button, this is the pop-up right here. It pops up, boom, first name, email address. Now that's what we want to happen. And what we want in this form is first name and email. But here we have a checkout. We have a checkout field. We want to edit the checkout, and what we want is we don't want any payments here. You know what? We're just going to delete that. So we want to have a form widget. We drop that here. So we have the email. We want to add another field. You click on that. You want to add another field, and you want to select first name. Boom, easy peasy. You click on done. Then I want the first name to be the first thing that they enter. I'm going to click on that arrow. It goes up. Boom. Where should we send your e-course? First name, email. And here I'm going to use the CTA, the call to action, as start e-course. Boom. So that's it. We have a landing page. We have our form. Now the next thing we want to do is to try to connect our domain name. So I believe right now this landing page is almost similar. Let's preview. Okay, let's preview that, and boom, it's almost the same. You can see it's right there, the same. Almost the same. You click on that, it brings you the form. You click on this, it brings you the form. Easy peasy. That's how you create a landing page that converts. It's very straightforward, no fluff, go straight to the point. You don't want to waste people's time. That's one of the things that people need to understand. When you're on the internet, people click off of Facebook ads, they go to your landing page, they want to get it done as fast as possible. All right, so next, we will try to connect our domain name and get this landing page live for everyone to use.